Alright guys, it's time for another workshop update. Today I am testing a new microphone, so hopefully it's not all terrible. But honestly, I'm sorry this is late, but honestly, I don't really have much to go over. I really didn't do much this weekend. I did actually, I guess I cut up some wood with the chainsaw, but even then I didn't really do a whole lot. I was trying to take this weekend to relax, so I really didn't do much. But there is a video coming out tomorrow. I forget which one it is because I scheduled them ahead of time. So I hope you guys check it out and tell me what you think, what you like, what you don't like. And yeah, just check it out. And I'm still needing more ideas of more stuff to do. So anytime you guys want to let me know, shoot me a message in the comments or hit me up on one of the social medias that I still intend to get on. I may be on Instagram soon. I finally got the password reset. So anyway, check it out and let me know what you think, and thanks for tuning in again.